novo dia chegando. Estamos cantando. Vamos com fé, correndo atrás, sem medo, sempre sonhando. Segue pra frente, bora com garra, assim vamos buscando. Cada momento de pé é uma chance de seguir lutando. Eu não posso parar, meu plano é chegar.
Hey everyone, we finally arrived here at the Dolphin Mall and I have been waiting to go to the Skechers Superstore behind me. It looks absolutely incredible. It's massive inside. I can't wait to search for some new basketball sneakers, potentially pickleball shoes, as well as maybe some golf pieces. Let's head on in and see what they've got.
Somos vencedores. Okay. Somos vencedores.
Wow, there's literally a track as soon as you walk in. And it looks like a mini soccer field set up here. We've got pickleball, got some nice little bench that you can sit at, but look at how cool this is. What a grand entrance. I can see we've got the Aeroburst section. You can already see I'm wearing my Aeroburst right now. Ooh, some really cool colors here though. I love the neon shades actually. May need to get some new ones for my collection here. Love a good hot pink color.
Say the best for last, okay. We here to stay. Me and the squad all day. They here to stay, and we don't never go away. We here to stay. I got them saying okay. They here to stay. Oh man, I done it. If the beat stop running, I'ma still go 100. I'm the one y'all wanna kick it rid of me, baby. I'm not dumb, baby. I'm a G, baby. They be looking at me like he crazy, and I know that.
Look at these seats. Almost like I'm at an actual basketball game. What are we watching right now? This is really enjoyable. Definitely could watch an actual basketball game here. Now the question is, which basketball sneaker should we pick up? One of the best things about basketball sneakers is how many color options they have, and gravitating towards this one. Kind of like a sunset, sunrise color combination with the gradient effect, which I really like on that. Look at this metallic. So cool when it hits the light. Okay, this color variation is so fun. Ooh, they're on little baby basketball courts. How cute is this? Great little shoe stand.
He crazy and I know that's just how I go. That's what happens when you stay. They want you to go. And when you try to plant a seed, they won't let it grow. But you still gotta rain on them and put some game on them. Yeah, rain dance.
Let's test out some basketball sneakers. So we've got the Skechers Nexus. I'm a sucker for a good black colorway. So I want to test out these. See what these feel like and look like on foot.
Yeah, you know the vibes. Been in this thing winning rings for a while. Put it to the test, I could win it in a trial. Ain't no need to flex, cause I know you see the style. Yeah, I know you see the vibes. Yeah.
Nice. Light. I like the colorway on these. It's like a patent black leather. Got some spackle. It almost looks like marbling on the bottom. All right, so we're testing out some other sneakers compared to the Nexus. So next up, we've got the Rain that we're gonna be trying. Let's see which one I like better. This is crazy. Look at how the laces go on the side panels. It's threaded underneath and all the way around. I've not seen a sneaker like this before, especially a basketball sneaker. It's got some hyper bursts in there too. A little translucent outsole.
Yeah, I know you see the vibes. Yeah, I know you see the vibes. I can't have it.
I didn't even realize that this has a metallic tongue, which matches the Skechers S logo on the front perfectly. These definitely have a little bit more ankle protection on them for sure. So I feel like if you're somebody who needs more of that ankle support, I roll my ankles a lot on the court, so this is probably gonna be a good option for me. As far as just grip, really good grip on these. This traction, you're not sliding anywhere. They're a little bit heavier than the Nexus is, but for the weight that you're switching, you're getting that ankle support, which is quite nice. I like the subtle neon green on those laces as well at the bottom there. Color's actually really good.
Want the trophy, gotta take it out my face. Yeah, yeah. You ain't serious, then get up out the way. This is really what I do, so it's more than just a game. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try on one more basketball shoe. This is the Joel Embiid JE1s. Great, fantastic player on the Sixers. So if he's a great player, must be because of the basketball sneakers. But this is the one I was showing you earlier that I was so stoked about the color combination. I mean, look how crazy these look. It's like this cool webbing and this holographic purplish blue colorway. I mean, this is kind of my favorite like color gradient right here. All the colors that I love in one sneaker. Couldn't ask for more. All right, let's try these on and test them out, see how they compare to the Reigns and the Nexuses.
Running up the score to know I'm locked in.
These may be my favorite out of the three. Traction is really good. There's some nice cushion, super responsive, good lateral movement in these as well, but they just look good.
You ain't on a team cause you're not him. If you ain't us, then you're not them. Yeah, you know the vibes. Been in this thing winning rings for a while. Put it to the test, I could win it in a trial. Ain't no need to flex cause I know you see the style. Yeah, I know you see the vibes. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, I know you see the vibes. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, I know you see the vibes. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right, I had a little trouble deciding which one of the basketball sneakers honestly was my favorite. The Nexus was really cool. I love the low profile cut. I honestly loved how it looked like marble on the front portion of that midsole, and then the splattering and color combo of gray, black, and white really just is a great color blocking assortment. And then the Reigns were nice too. I feel like if you want something with more ankle support, the Reigns has you covered. And it had some nice little details of that metallic color scheme as well on the tongue and the accents on the Skechers logo. But my favorite by far are the JEs. Those just hit perfectly. I think that the color combination, the gradient effect, the holographic color combination when those colors hit the light just really is a wow statement sneaker. If you want somebody to really stop and look at you on the court, that's when you've got to snag and pick up.
I know you see the vibes. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, I know you see the vibes. Yeah, 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 yeah.
So something I definitely do not have in my sneaker collection is a good pickleball sneaker. I have been really getting into pickleball lately, and I really think I need a better shoe for performance. They have so much to choose from. I honestly don't know where to start. I feel like maybe I need to start a little pickleball sneaker collection, but these are so fun. I love a subtle kind of glittery metallic lace. Look at how pretty that is. It's simple. This is a crazy color combo. If you want to stand out on the pickleball court, I feel like this is kind of the go-to colorway option here. And they even have a pickleball bench that you can sit at as you're warming up to go against this lovely pickleball mannequin. Actually, I like the shoes on the mannequin. That colorway, that's a really fun Miami vibe kind of colorway. We're gonna try on a pickleball shoe. This is the Skechers, let's see, the Viper Court Pro 2.0, and this is a really cool color variation. It's nice. We've got white, pink, but look at the midsole on these. How fun is that? Some alternating colorways. I love that it's just a little subtle touch of hot pink, and you've got a little bit of that hot pink on the tips of the laces. All right, so let's try these on and see how they feel. These are comfy. Definitely like good lateral movement here. Very malleable in the toe box. Pretty lightweight. What do we think? We've made it to the Skechers golf section, and I am in need of some new golf shoes. Especially being in Miami, one of the things I always want to do when I'm out here is go golfing. So this may be a little fun opportunity to get a shoe and give me an excuse out there on the course. I feel like I need your guys' assistance, helping me pick one out. These are pretty nice though. Ooh, these are slip-in ones. I like the material though. Super lightweight. Gray and blue, but this one is, you know, your authentic, classic looking golf shoe here too. I have to try a couple of variations. They have women's options over here as well. Ooh. I don't like these ones. This is the one that Brooke Henderson has on in the photo, but these are really light. I love a good Skechers slip-in, so it's definitely maybe one I might have to pick up, but this is a really nice colorway too. I like the blue with the light pink. I had to try this golf sneaker on just because it's a Moc. I've never worn a Moc on the golf course, so I wanted to test these out. This is the Go Golf Flights. Open up so you can see what those look like here. I like this colorway though. A minty green, some gray. All right, let's give these a test run and see what they feel like on foot. Slip-in, which is great, but one of the coolest part is look at the tightening system on the back of the heel there. How cool is that? So no lace tie system here. You don't have to worry about your laces getting untied on the course. Really nice color combination too, but these really are comfortable and they feel great on foot. The Skechers location also has tons of apparel. As you can see, the set that I'm wearing is also sold here. So comfy, but they've got so many different options, specifically even pickleball pieces, which I kind of need to grab this. Look how cute this is. Sports bras, everything you can possibly think of that you might need to work out in. We came, we saw, we conquered. There's so much to see inside the store. Honestly, I could spend all day in here. But if you are in the Miami area and you have not checked out the Skechers Superstore in the Dolphin Mall, you've got to stop by here. It's absolutely incredible. There's so many sneaker options to choose from, and of course, apparel. I am having a hard time still figuring out which ones I'm going to take home with me because I liked everything I tried on.
Come on, let's go. Time to get to stepping out the door. Spread those wings, cause we wanna see more, do more, be more. Looking real cute, but we feeling hardcore.